Hello, everyone. Today, we're not talking about overnight success. We're talking about something more powerful, small habits that quietly transform your life. Start your day with intention. Instead of grabbing your phone first thing in the morning, take 5 minutes. Breathe, think, plan your day. How you start your morning controls how you live your day. Do one hard thing daily. Every day, do something uncomfortable. Study when you don't feel like it. Practice when you're tired. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in challenge. Reduce distractions. Your biggest enemy isn't failure, it's distraction. Limit social media. Focus on what actually matters. Even 1 hour of deep focus daily can change everything. Move your body. You don't need a gym, just move. Walk, stretch, exercise. A strong body builds a strong mind. Learn something new every day. Read a few pages. Watch something educational. In 30 days, you won't just feel different, you'll be different. Track your progress. What gets measured gets improved. Write down your habits. Tick them off daily. Small wins build big confidence. Sleep with purpose. Don't just end your day randomly. Reflect. Ask yourself, did I get better today? If yes, you're already winning. Here's the truth. You won't see massive change in one day. But if you stay consistent, one day you'll look back and realize everything has changed. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, start now. Because 30 days from today, you can either be the same person or a completely different one. The choice is yours. If this video spoke to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, small habits create big results.